Wondering how to see someone's email address on Facebook or maybe even your own? In this video, I'll show you the real, honest ways to check if an email is visible, find your own registered email, and a couple of legit alternatives when it's hidden. No creepy hacks, just what Facebook actually allows. Let's go. Part 1. Check if someone's email is visible on their profile. The only direct way. Open the Facebook app and go to the person's profile. Search their name or tap from friend list or anyhow. Tap about or see users' names about info. Scroll down to contact and basic info. Look for email or contact info. If they chose to make it public, you will see the email address right there. It might say public or have a globe icon. Most people set this to only me or friends. So if it's blank or says ask for email or no email shown, it's hidden. The reality check is very few users leave email public anymore due to privacy updates. If it's not visible, you can't force it to show. What if someone's email is hidden? If no email shows on their profile, ask politely. Send a messenger message like, hey, mind sharing your email for that reason? Works better than you think. You can check linked sites in About section, look for website or LinkedIn, often emails there. You can use professional tools for business outreach. Tools like Swordfish AI or Uplead can find emails from public data, not scraping Facebook directly. They use legal sources. Important keep remember is respect privacy. Don't harass or use shady scrappers. It can get your account restricted. The part 2 is how to see your own email address linked to Facebook. Tap the three lines menu top right corner, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll to Accounts Center or Meta Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Tap Personal Details again, then Contact Info. Your primary email and any secondary ones will be listed here. There you go. The truth about emails on Facebook are mostly private but easy to see your own. If this cleared things up, drop a like, plus subscribe for more honest Facebook tips and privacy guides, and so on. See you in the next one.